Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Scott's equipment from Georgia, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now Scott's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about how the arm and the head do not move. So the animation part of this telephone is not working. So we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC board that controls the animation. We also want to go in and check our gear cluster pack and all of the linkage that would be associated with the animated movement. We also want to take a look at Mickey's nose. It is loose, and we will take care of that issue. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and try our demo button. So we'll go ahead and push that.
Oh boy, a phone call! Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you. Well, what do you know?
We'll go ahead and stop the demo. Now, we also want to mention that you want to put a high-grade quality battery set into this unit. It does require a good battery set. Now that we know that the demo function is working, we can go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that.
Oh boy, a phone call!
We'll let that go a few times.
Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
We'll let it go one more time and give you some dial tone.
Well, what do you know? It's for you.
We want to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and hang the unit up, give you some dial tone. We'll use the redial button, and the analyzer will end in a 2. Now what we want to do is go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that our demo button is working, we're ringing in on our ring cycle, and our animation is working. We have transmit and receive, and we're dialing out. We want to go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, December 10th. The current time, 7:54 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We'll try our demo button one more time.
Oh boy, a phone call. Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
We'll go ahead and stop the demo. Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Scott, and they can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure Mickey is going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.